Where are we going right now?
Buy another glider.
Yeah, we're going to check out a glider if it's worth buying. It's what
What
is
year is it?
12.
12.
Well, why are we buying it?
Hopefully, engine and trans are still good, right? To put in 58, the unit that we have outside of the original podcast studio. That's been chilling there for a good while.
We're gonna put it. We're gonna make 2 in 1. So that's a Schneider glider, which is salvage crashed. I'm gonna go check it out and see if it's worth buying. If the deal is good, we'll buy it and put it together. We did have an interview with a tech today, so he's gonna be joining our team hopefully over the weekend. And
We definitely need the help.
Yeah. And we had 2 pre-purchase inspections too, right?
2 back to back.
Yeah. All right, let's go check it out. Ready?
Let's go.
That's a legitimate ELD. You can buy it on YouTube. What do you think happened here?
Jackknife or what? Rollover, bro.
Let's go check it out. Almost, yeah, that would. Roll over, yeah. Grass don't grow on the roof, on the top.
Look at this.
Yeah,
That's why you don't buy a Cummins.
I know. She said the key should be in there. And what we care about is engine, trans, maybe diffs.
Diffs, yeah. Steer axle, I mean, I don't see why it would be damaged if we would have got wrecked.
Let's see. Towed it back in here. Everything 8 and 10 speed, 8827, 880,000. So if the engine's fine, then we have at least a few years left in life.
Let's hope so. Let's hope so.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the engine. Who did it?
Yeah. For Schneider, it was all factory.
Detroit.
It was
Okay.
all Detroit. Yeah. But
Got the tag right there.
yeah.
Standard bearings on it, so that's good. Crank wasn't cut down at all whatsoever.
It looks dry.
Yeah, it does.
I'm using the
Yeah. Head's never been removed because you can see the old rust on there.
yeah.
Yeah, it's right there.
Old rust is good rust.
That's right.
Let's plug it in. That's all I care about. I mean, you know, we'll start it up. That's gonna tell us a lot. And good. How are you? Oh, wow.
Low on oil.
Yeah. I already told them to pull the model number from the 50 wheel, and we're just gonna get the rebuild kit. Okay, let's do it then. Also, not a problem. Bye. How was the oil? Sorry, I got a call.
It's a little low. The only thing is that since it did roll over, we don't know how long. Oh, jeez.
Come on. When it cut out, right?
Exactly. So what I would do if we buy it, we're gonna drop the pan and check the main and rod bearings, make sure they're good.
Yeah.
And we might as well do them.
Yep.
It's gonna be
Yep.
cheap.
Yeah. Because that's what would actually
Cause the engine to lock
cause
up.
the engine to lock up, and that's the biggest risk in the rollover.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Looks like it got a new manifold on there.
Yeah.
Fairly new. Yeah. Let's start it up.
Yeah. You want me to start it up, or you want to look at the?
You want to hook it up?
Huh?
You want to hook it up? Plug it in.
Let's start it first. Look at the how it. Let's look at the cold start. It's a 1 box right there. Looks healthy. What is it?
60 right now that it's cold, it's good.
Right?
We're definitely going to use these interior parts.
I know, right?
You know how they all crack?
Yeah. This is in a good.
Yeah, it's good condition.
Oh no, it has an air leak. Oh,
geez.
that's a no-go. It's oil level pressure. The oil pressure sensor would cut out because we will get the oil pressure.
Yeah. Now oil level, that would be only on the Volvos because they got the.
That's why there's only what 12 sensors on this thing.
That's why it's 12.7.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't go wrong with it for the price.
No, it's very cheap. In Bitcoin, it's like
In Bitcoin.
0.008. Let's look it up. So we do have an oil pressure.
Yeah, we do. 1.5 PSI. Happened once.
But there's a chance that it did get shut down.
Yeah. Vehicle overspeed. So most likely this guy was going down
Same
hills.
thing. Yeah.
Well, going down hills at too high
RPM.
RPM, exactly. Besides that, it's coolant level, coolant temperature high. Hit 221 once for 3 seconds.
Does it give you the date?
Yeah.
2019, 6/14, 2 years ago. Well, a year and a half ago.
Yeah, this one here.
Yeah, that's fine. That happens. If it's only one, that's not
bad
at
one.
all.
Look at one count and the coolant level.
Yeah,
that's common.
43 is overspeed, so he didn't. Yeah, he was rolling down quickly.
Yeah.
Well, if that's it, then
that's it.
Is the VIN?
Yeah, last 3, 418. Yeah.
So it wasn't swapped either. That's original. Glider, Schneider, Glider, Schneider.
So
10-speed direct drive.
So what we got a trailer to pull it with, or what's going on?
350. We're gonna pull it. All right, we're taking it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share, and that's how you buy a junk truck. Okay, so would you buy it for Bitcoin?
Pesos, I would.
With pesos?
Yeah, ¿cuántos?
That's like 4,800,000 pesos. It's like $5,000.
$5,000. Yeah.
It's 680,000
How about
pesos.
how do you say it? Złote?
Złote, yeah. That'll be 2 million złote for this.